We're now into exercise 6.7, question 5. Now in this case we're told that a heat pump absorbs 25,000 joules from the outside air. And that would indicate, of course, that this particular value is absorbing energy at the cold end of the system, and so that would represent QC. And it also supplies 35,000 joules to a house. That, of course, would represent the hot end of the system, and so this would represent QH. And it's asking us for the electrical energy supplied to the heat pump, and so it's really asking us for a value for W. And in terms of what I know, after reading through that, we know that QC equals 25,000 joules. We know that QH equals 35,000 joules. And we know that W equals question mark. Now QH equals QC plus W. And if we rearrange this particular equation, we need to get rid of QC on the right hand side of the equation. And so to do that, we're going to have to take away QC from both sides of this equation. And so that becomes on the left hand side QH minus QC, and the right hand side becomes QC plus W minus QC. Now of course QC minus QC is really the same as one number, take away the same number, which will give you 0, and so in effect they will cancel out. We can now rewrite this equation. W equals QH minus QC, and if we now sub the respective numbers in, so QH being 35,000, take away 25,000, and so it can be seen that W equals 10,000 joules, which could also be represented as 10 kilojoules. And that concludes this particular question.